Hi everyone, hope you all are doing really great. This is Priyanka, your master teacher at QMath. Here at QMath, we follow active learning strategies where you learn by doing. So every student get an opportunity to learn the why behind what in every concept. So do not take the hassle of mugging up formulas and solving the question. We teachers are always there for you to help you out in the right track. So if you're interested to go ahead with a live one-to-one session with our QMath certified teachers, please check the link in the description box and register right away. It's absolutely free for you guys. So I welcome you all to our channel based on NCERT Class 9 Maths. Here we'll be posting concept videos and related questions based on its application. I would request you to like the video if you really like seeing these sessions and click on the subscribe channel so you subscribe to our channel, and also do not forget to hit on the bell icon for the latest updates. And there is an amazing news for you guys. QMath has introduced TUCO, the Ultimate QMath Olympiad. So this is held in association with the Times of India. This is a pan-India competition for children from grade 1 to 10 coming from more than 300 schools all across the country. We at QMAT encourage our kids to move a step ahead from the regular classroom work culture and challenge themselves to participate in various Olympiad exams. And we teachers relentlessly help them, relentlessly train them so that they can come out successful with flying colors. Around 2.5 lakh students from more than 300 schools will be participating in this Olympiad exam. So, guys, this is a very good opportunity for you to win a cash prize of more than 20 lakhs, along with scholarship, recognition, and certification. And that's not all. Parents also get a chance to win certification of recognition for encouraging their children to assess their math skills and abilities. And the best part of it is by registering for TUCO, students can access international math Olympiad preparatory courses designed by graduates from IIT and Cambridge universities. Test takers will also get a detailed performance report with the areas of improvement and how to bridge this gap. So, this is an amazing opportunity, guys. Please find the link in the description box and register right away. So, in today's session, we'll be dealing with lines and angles, and this is the second part of lines and angles. So, we learn more about how to relate the angles and what are the different angles formed uh, in respect to parallel lines and transversal. Yes, so let's get started. So now let's understand what is a transversal. What are parallel lines? So a transversal is a line which cut two lines at two distinct points. Okay. So here in the figure, you can see there is a transversal. So let me say that L is a transversal which is cutting two lines L1 and L2 at two distinct points A and B. Okay. So from this, we can get 8 angles. You can see angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let us understand how we can categorize these angles. Okay, so let me first come with exterior angles. Now what are exterior angles? The angles which are outside of these L1 and L2, right? When I say outside, that means they are outside of this region. This is your inside region, yes, and these are your outside region, right? So which are exterior to L1 and L2 are your exterior angles. So if I note down the exterior angles, so which are the exterior angles here? So the exterior angles are angles 1, angle 2. These are your exterior angles. Also, you will say angle 7 and angle 8 form your exterior angles. Correct? Next, we come to interior angles. So the angles which are formed within the inside region of the lines L1 and L2 are your interior angles. So let me, jot down the interior angles here. So which are the interior angles? You can see these are the angles which lie inside. So angle 4, angle 3, angle 5, angle 6, these are your interior angles. So I can write here that angle 4, angle 3, angle 5, angle 6 are your interior angles. Simple. Next, we come across alternate interior and alternate exterior angles. See, the name itself depicts. So when I say alternate, alternate means they should be opposite. Okay. And interior. So the interior angles which are opposite to each other are forming your alternate interior angles. Or these are the angles which are opposite and they lie in the inside region of L1 and L2. Right. So which are the alternate interior angles? You can see angle 1. No, angle 1 is the exterior angle. So you can see angle 4, angle 6. So these are forming alternate interior. So which is the other pair of angles? Yes, the other pair is angle 3 and angle 5. So these are your alternate interior angles. Yes, hope everyone is clear. Now we'll go ahead with alternate exterior angles. Now again from the name itself you can say what is alternate exterior angles. So alternate means opposite, exterior means outside this region of L1 and L2, right? So this you can say angle 2 and angle 8. Now angle 1 and angle 7. So I can write angle 1 and angle 7, and you can say angle 2 and angle 8 are the pair of alternate exterior angles. Yes, very simple. Now we come across, yes, what is the next one? Yes, corresponding angles. So what are corresponding angles? These angles will lie on the same side of line L. Okay, this will lie on the same side of the transversal. And also you will see that they'll be either above the line L1 and L2 or they'll be lying below the line L1 and L2, right? So these are your corresponding angles. So let me write it here. Corresponding angles. And which are the corresponding angles here? Angle 1 and angle 5. So these are your corresponding angles. I can write 1 and 5. What is the other pair? Yes, the other pair is 2 and 6. 2 and 6. So remember, they'll always lie on the same side of the transversal. And you see 4 and 8. 4 and 8 is forming a pair and 3 and 7 is forming a pair, right? Isn't it very interesting? 3 and 7? Yes. So now we come across the next. So the next topic is we go ahead with co-interior angles. Now what are co-interior angles? Co-interior. So co means on the same side and interior means these should be interior angles. So the interior angles which lie on the same side of the transversal, right? So these are your co-interior angles. Okay. So what are the different co-interior angles you can see here? You can see that angle 4 and angle 5. Previously, we have studied about alternate interior, but these are co-interior, 4 and 5, and angle 3 and angle 6. So these are your co-interior angles. Yes, hope everyone is clear. This is very, very simple. So this is how you can relate different angles when a transversal cuts two lines, right? Okay, let's go ahead with the next concept. Yeah. So here you can see that there are two parallel lines. Okay. So let me name them. So this is line L1 and this is line L2. And this is cut by a transversal T. So before marching ahead, let us understand what are parallel lines. So parallel lines are those which will never meet. Okay. That means they have a fixed distance between them. And these are your parallel lines. So when the parallel lines are cut by a transversal, again it is resulting in formation of 8 different angles. Yeah. So you can see I have already named this angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So now we'll try, relating these angles. Yeah, we have already learned about different type of angles formed, and now we'll try to relate this angle. When I say, yes, so we have learned about alternate interior angles. So which are the alternate interior angles here? So alternate interior. Alternate interior angles which are formed here are angle 3 and angle 6. Yes, and you will see that when there are two parallel lines cut by a transversal, the alternate interior angles are equal. So I can say that angle 3 is equal to angle 6. Apart from this, which are alternate interior? Angle 4 and angle 5. So I can say angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Yes, super easy. Yeah. Okay. So next we go ahead with alternate. Yes, we have done alternate interior, and if I go with alternate exterior angle, alternate exterior angle. Yes, so which are these? 1 and 8. So you can say angle 1 and angle 8, and they are also equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 8, and also you will see that angle 2 equals to angle 7. Yes, super easy, guys. Hope you all are enjoying a lot, and this is very, very simple. Yes, next we come across co-interior angles. So what is the relation between co-interior angles? So tell me, guys, which are the co-interior angles here we have recently learned? So if I come across co-interior angles, so these are angle 3 and angle 5 are your co-interior angles. And if I try to relate them, so I can say that the co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees. Yes, so this is a relation existing between co-interior angles. Similarly, I can write that angle 4 and angle 6 equals to 180 degrees. Yes, isn't it super easy? Yes, yeah. So next we'll go ahead with, yes, the next one, corresponding angles. Yes, you're absolutely right. So if I say corresponding angles, now which are the corresponding angles here? Which are the corresponding angles? Tell me, guys. Yes, you can say the angles which lie on the same side of the transversal, and both the angles are above L1, L2 or below L1, L2. So you see that angle 1 and angle 5. So you can say that angle 1 equals to angle 5, and also you can say that angle 2 equals to angle 6. Yes, this is super amazing. Now if I go ahead, I can say angle 3 equals to angle 7, and again I can say angle 4 equals to angle 8. Yeah, I hope everyone is clear with this, and this is really going awesome. So now we'll go ahead with some of the applications based on the relation of these angles. So let's go ahead with that. So guys, there is a question, yes, based on its application. So here, from this, let's see which of the following is true. So there are 4 conditions given to you, and you are going to check which of the following is true. Let me take the first option. Angle 1 equals to angle 5. Before that, you know that these are 2 parallel lines, yeah, and this is cut by your transversal. Say, let me name this as L1 and L2, and you see that this is your transversal T. So it is given that these 2 lines are parallel, and you're going to check that which of the following is correct. So angle 1 and angle 2, let me try relating angle 1 and angle 5. So do you find that they are equal? These are forming which type of angles? Are they forming alternate interior? No, this is an exterior angle. Okay, then which kind of angle they can form? Are they forming co-interior? No. Are they forming corresponding? No. So are they forming alternate exterior? No. That means you cannot say that angle 1 equals to angle 5, right? Had it been co-interior, the case would have been different. You could have told that 2 angles add up to 180 degree. But anyway, this is not coming in any category. So I can say this is absolutely wrong. Now we come across B, the second option. Angle 4 and angle 8. So angle 4 and angle 8. So these are the 2 angles you're looking. So now you tell me, are they equal? Are they forming alternate interior? No. 4 is an exterior angle. Are they forming corresponding? No, they are not corresponding. They are on different side of the transversal. Are they forming co-interior? No, they're not forming co-interior because 4 is again an exterior angle. I don't find them forming alternate exterior as well. So I can say that definitely angle 4 is not equal to angle 8. So definitely this answer is wrong. This option is wrong. Now we come across the next one, that is angle 5 equals to angle 8. You look here, this is your angle 5 and this is your angle 8. Now can you relate them, guys? Yes, you can easily look at the figure and you can say they are inside line L1 and L2, and also they are opposite to each other. So they are forming which type of angles? Yes, these are alternate interior angles, and this is absolutely correct. Yeah. Next, let's check the D option also. 3 and angle 7. So angle 3 and again angle 7, do they form any relation? I don't think so. They are not forming any, alternate interior or alternate exterior. You don't find them forming co-interior corresponding, nothing. There is no, relation existing between them. So definitely this is wrong. Yes, this was quite exciting. Hope you all have enjoyed this question. Yeah. All right, then let's go ahead. Yes, guys, so you can see there is one more question coming up, and here also it's based on the applications of the parallel lines and transversals. So you can see if AB is parallel to CD. Now you see there are two lines here, AB and CD. Yes, if they are parallel and angle APQ is 50 degree, it's seen in the figure. APQ is 50 degree and angle PRD is 130. PRD is also 130. You can see here. Yeah. So what is the value of angle QPR? Now, how are we solving this question? How can we find the value of angle QPR? Yes, think about it. We can try relating different angles. Yeah. Okay. So see, if I try looking at these two parallel lines cut by a transversal PR. Now PR is a transversal. Okay. So I can say that this angle and this angle, they are which type of angles? Yes, they are alternate interior angles. And how can you relate them? You know that alternate interior angles are equal. So I can say that angle APR is equal to angle PRD. So I can say APR equals to 130 degrees. Yes, isn't it interesting? It's 130 degrees. Okay. Now we come across angle APR. So angle APR is formed of two angles. Yes, so one is angle APQ. So I can say angle APR equals to angle APQ plus angle QPR. Yeah. Okay. So now you know the value of angle APR is 130 degrees. I can place it here. Now you know that the value of angle APQ. APQ is 50 degrees. Yes. Plus you have angle QPR. So QPR is unknown to us. So let me take all of these to left hand side. So I can write 50 plus angle QPR equals to 130 degrees. Yes. So now angle QPR is equal to 130 degrees minus 50 degrees. Yeah. Isn't it simple, guys? So what is 130 minus 50? How much? Yes, that is equal to 80 degrees. So you can say that angle QPR measures 80 degrees. Yes, I hope you're clear with this. Yes, so that's all for today, guys. So if you like this video, so go ahead, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also hit on the bell icon for the latest updates. And the amazing part of this is, if you want to have such amazing sessions with our QMAT certified experts, have giving you one-to-one session, so please do check the link in the description box and register right away, because this is absolutely free for you. And as I've already mentioned, the Olympiad which we are going to conduct, TUCO, and this will give you amazing prize. You can win cash prize up to 20 lakhs, and with scholarship there are recognitions and many more. So hurry up, guys. Right away, go ahead and register for the Olympiad. Yes? All right. So it was a very good session with all of you guys. Hope to see you soon in the next concept video. Till then, bye-bye.